What's up guys, and welcome to the 7th lesson of these terminal commands. And in this tutorial it's all about the nano command. In the previous tutorial I may have said the nano command, but what I really meant was the touch command, because you use touch to make the file, whereas in this tutorial we will be using nano to edit a file. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, cd desktop semicolon, forget the semicolon, actually remember the semicolon, ls-l, what do we have there? Use touch to make the files. And now use the nano command. Okay, control X, Y, enter. If we do cat, that's what we put into our file. I use touch to make the file, I use nano, which is this tutorial. Nano makes the file, then touch makes the file, nano is used to edit the file, then I did cat just to show you what I put into my file, and that's on the screen. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in tutorial 8, where I'll start editing a C program and showing you how to compile it and whatever, or even rename a file, rename this file and put in some C code and compiling it. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for now.